Welcome back to my channel Crypto Stallion. Today I will share with you about a new billion project named as Boogie. I will share all the detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. It is the meme project and what is Boogie. Here you can see sound the ribbit alarms. Boogie has a crash landed on Solana, the first AI created blue frog, and it's kind of vibing his way through the cryptoverse. No flat lips, no drama, just straight up frog, tastic chores, beam fueled madness, and enough blockchain boogie to make even a crypto whale took. So you can see all the detail. You can be able to buy it by the Radium, Solana. You can see pink sale, and also from the Dex view you can see the official contact address is given. You have to copy it and add it in your wallet. You can see here the basically video is given. You can also play that music here, and you can see it's dancing here. So there is a different memes which is given about we burn hodl bogey. You can see there it's a different kind of memes going on, and it's on time, and it's with the angel. And the most funny is that one that the Trump is holding that boogie, and all that you can see all these. You can see if I go further, here is the boogie, a vibrant community. The boogie community lives and breathes excitement fueled by a love for dance that takes center stage. Their energy is too contagious. You can see they are along the community. They are doing that community with the excitement. They are not just working, they are enjoying their lives too. So their ticker is Boogie. Supply is given. There is no tax here. 0% economics burn, 51%. Team 10%, marketing 15%, staking 4%, exchange is 5%, pre-sale is 10%, and for the LP is 5%. The roadmap you can see their quarter 2 they are going for the community building, pink sale, influencer on board, token creation, launch, GX listing, marketing. In quarter 3 they will go for the coin market cap, CoinGecko listing, CX listing, ecosystem integration, Certicodic, and other top 10 CX listing. You can see it here, ecosystem coming soon where they will go for the bot, and the trading bot allows traders to snipe their trades so they can have a fair advantage. They have the staking, investor can stake their boogie tokens and earn reward. They have the swap here. You can see a place for boogie you can see degenerate to call home. You can see it is the again a cute picture of it's given. CoinGecko Dex tool, Dex screener, but CoinGecko coin market cap, Dex screener. All the detail is given. If you are passionate about your dream, expect rejections along the way, but never give up. So all the detail is given. I shared all that. You can see it here. You can be able to buy it easily, even though you can also be able to join their community and be a part of it. I share all the details. You can also join them on Twitter, Telegram, TikTok. They have the pink sale which is at that time end, but you can see it here. I will open the buy. You can see their tokenomics, ecosystem, roadmap. I share the roadmap with you. I share the meme with you. I already share all that details. But now I will share with you there about the pink sale, how you can buy it from that. And you can see here is a fair launch audit is given. You can see all the details. There different videos about the other YouTubers are also given. So if you want more about that, you can go and see them, but do your own research before investing in it. Burn after liquidity. You can see these are the total addresses which is going on. This blue pool is ended because it's already done. You can buy it by Jupiter swap. You can have to add by one soul how much you can get the boogie. Here you can see you will get a lot of that, and the one soul is equal to $119. You can see the details. I already shared all the detail about it. It's a very good product. You can easily be able to make money on it too. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.